how to register sa customer support natin. Tap customer support dito sa upon sign in ng account, and then tap tatlong line sa upper right sa tabi ng cart, and then tap sign in, and then tap don't have an account, and then register your email and your name, then your preferred login password. Sign up. Okay, now naka-create na ako ng account ko kay customer support. Matik yan. Naka-sign up ka na kaagad. Okay, next is tap tatlong line sa upper right, and then tap CSR, and then fill up your registration code. Yung subject is account verification, and then description, pwede nyo pong ilagay dyan, lalo na kapag nagpapa-verify kayo ng account, tapos nare-reject, lagay nyo lang dito, KYC verification. Hello po, pwede pa-check ng account verification request ko. Thank you. Ganun lang. And then, if you have any attachment, pwede nyo i-attach yan. And then, click submit ticket. Alright? Pag created na yan, you have ticket number. Kung bakit kailangan nyo mag-create ng account kay customer support, kasi itong ticket number na to, nakasave na yun dito sa account ninyo. Check your account, yung tatlong line na to sa taas, tapos yung GIN, yung pangalan sa baba, pakitap ng arrow, drop arrow up, tapos pakitap ng my account, and then dito po, ayun yung ticket, nakasave na po yan dyan. Yan, tapos tap yung number, tapos may kita nyo na po yung reply ni customer support. With that, thank you so much.